isang boat. Nakita mo yung bulkan doon? Masasabi, you get wet.
My name is Frankie and I'm going to be your skipper and your guide on this 5 exciting day and 10 romantic night. But for the safety, I want to remind you this is a waterway so you may get wet. Please beware your electronic product, for example your mobile phone, and watch your children please. Also please remember keep your arms, legs and elbow inside the boat, okay? So if you understand that's our journey, you can see our right hand side. In here is our first attraction, and this is the Tarzan Treehouse. The king of the jungle, Tarzan, is living here. I'm so sorry for today, the Tarzan Treehouse is closed because Tarzan is not here today. However, next time they come back here, the Tarzan Treehouse will open, and then we can take a walk on our left hand side on the dot over there. Just remember, don't swimming to over there, because many crocodiles are under the river are waiting for you. It's really dangerous. But don't worry, that's not our journey. You can see have 2 elephants are waiting for us. It's the mother elephant and baby elephant. She teaching her little one how to use this shot to play the water. So let's say hello to them. Hello, hello. And then the next one on our side is the brother elephant. He really like to take a shower, but I think he only under the water too long. You can see he has many wrinkles on his skin. So here is the father elephant waiting for us. He is really dangerous because you can see that he is aiming on us. He will get us fully wet, so everybody be carefully. Oh no, be coming up again, be careful. Oh, but he's really lucky, he's just kidding us, okay, don't worry. Okay, and then we are going to the jungle. In here the lamp is the old temple. And then you can see the famous star in here on our left hand side is the big spider. They can jump over 20 feet, but don't worry because you're just 10 feet away, so if they jump, they will jump over us. And then the big one on our right hand side, just remember don't put your hand to touch them, it's really dangerous. And then over here is the elephant god, and next to him is the king cobra. What? So king cobra is the most well-known poisonous snake, and they are protecting the elephant god. It's a dangerous animal. Oh no. One more watching for us on our left hand side. He looks really scary, so let's keep moving forward. As we pass over the road, we are entering to the true heart of the jungle. Let's visit the crocodiles. You can see our right hand side. The mouth is really big. I think they are very hungry, so everybody be careful. But today is really lucky because you can see that the other crocodiles are sleeping, but don't wake them up. Because we call them crocodiles, they will call us the tea time and the dinner.
Wow, you see?
And over here is the Tarzan fence for Professor Paula and Jen Hong. There's the game on here. But today you only can see how many gorillas to make the party in here. Oh no. What happened? Oh, do you see the gorilla is holding the gun? Don't shoot on us please, I don't want to get hurt. I think they are really unfriendly, so everybody be carefully. I don't want to get hurt. But don't worry, in here I think we are safe now. Alright, everybody, welcome to the Africa. In here have many special animals on our left hand side. You can see the black and white colored animal is a zebra. It's the most fastest animal in the world. And you can see the giraffe enjoy his tea time in the bed. Here the zebra is the African elephant. It's our second favorite animal in the jungle on our left hand side. And then the number one spider in north. And then we are going to the pool of the dangerous hippos. They each run around 6,000 pounds. They can buy our easily, so everybody be carefully. On our left hand side, really dangerous.
People!
So we make sure everybody please see properly. We've did the new scene for this 5 explore on our left hand side here. And then never go back your home. It's really dangerous. So guys, just see properly and let's say goodbye to them. Bye bye. Okay. Okay, here is our last home for the jungle. When here we need to keep quiet because we are entering into the territory. As you have many scouts on our both sides, the hunter will take our hand to put in here. So I just reached the log home today. Oh no. Yeah, but don't worry, I think we are safe now. It's really lucky. Okay, I have a good news for you because let's go on. We're ready to leave to the jungle to go back to the dawn now, so please follow me. Here we go. Oh no! Alright, everybody, please hold on tight. We'll go to the other side. Yes, you have the exit on our front. Oh no, what happened? The exit is from the... Maybe we turn to the bed. Oh no, we cannot turn to the bed. In here is put it in the call for the fire and water. Oh no, in the cargo waiting for...
Wow, so init. Nasa control niya.
Yeah, don't worry everybody, I think we are safe now. Thank you to Waterfall Company to save us. We can see the dawn now. A piece here, have one more waiting for us on our left hand side. You here. It's the baby elephant. So let's say goodbye to him. Bye bye. Okay, and then we can go back now. But for the safety, just remember, mind your hand, mind your elbow inside the boat, mind your hand, mind your elbow. And then sit down first, thank you. And okay, and then we can go back now. So let's finish our journey. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this trip, please remember my name is Frankie. I'm your skipper. If you didn't, never mind, just remember my name is Mary. It's okay. Oh, you mean the last season.
Exciting,
It's time to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Remember, bring your own personal belongings. I wish you have a magical day in the Hong
Nag-enjoy
Kong
ka?
Disneyland.
Ganda, di ba? Enjoy. Update ito pa rin si Wacky Ramos. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye!